are some places on this planet, when you first hear about them, you say, what? That actually exists? Well, this is one of those places. This is a 1,000-year-old salt mine, originally built to produce table salt in the Middle Ages. It's been expanded, renovated, and modernized up to 2010, when it opened as the tourist attraction you see today. It's so humid in here, salt particles from the air crystallize on the walls, rusting steel and encrusting artifacts. So what do you do with a 1,000-year-old Romanian salt mine? You fill it full of carnival games, of course. But first, I'm excited to announce I've just launched an online course. It's called the War on Fear Bootcamp. 10 years of traveling and fighting my fears distilled down into a 15-video course showing you the top tools and techniques I use to turn my phobia of public speaking into a full-time career. And I made it to help you to get unstuck, to become your best self, and to wage a war on fear. It's live now. It just launched, and I'd love for you to check out the link. Now, we've got a salt mine to explore, don't we? Never in my life have I seen a place like this before. I can't believe humans and machines carved this giant cathedral of salt out of the earth. That we're walking through an ancient ocean that deposited salt as it evaporated millions of years ago. And it's now a place to have fun. Only in Romania, you'll find something like this. First up on the adventure list is the Ferris wheel. Look at this thing. I don't think there's very many underground Ferris wheels in the world, and this is definitely a first for me.
Oh my god.
Thank you.
It's swingy.
Well, let me promise you, it is a ride filled with adrenaline, fear.
Courage.
Your blood will be pumping, your hands will be shaking, because we're moving about a centimeter a minute right now. I think Eva's swaying it on purpose so we get a little bit more excitement. Look at all these stalactites, like salt icicles.
Not stalagmites.
No, because this is how you learn. Stalactites, the T makes a shape going down. Stalagmites has an M, shape goes up. Stalactites, now you know. Science, ding! Okay, believe it or not, yes, there is a bowling alley in an underground salt mine, and I'm gonna kick Eva's.
He has no idea what he's talking about. You have no idea what you're talking about.
My actions will speak louder than my words.
Uh-huh.
Game on.
All right. Watch the master of bowling. Oh no!
Mike, 1-0 for Eva.
No, look, I
Not even close.
No.
Maybe you'll beat me next time.
Girl point.
Let's go, next game. Okay, next game we have a 6-hole mini putt course in a salt mine. It's crazy. Game on.
Look, I am the best at mini golf. You cannot beat me at mini golf. It's impossible. Good luck. It's warming up.
Just warming up. Good shot. Little did Eva know, I actually won the world championship in mini putt in 1996. I was 11, so I'm pretty good.
That's not true.
No, it's not.
Wow, good job.
King of the salt mine, end of mini putt. Your turn. It got stuck in the salt trap. Look at this one. It's got a loop-to-loop. You got the skills?
Got them skills.
Let's see the skills.
Oh yeah, you want to see the
Because
skills?
those skills have not showed up yet.
You'll see them skills. I'm just keeping them for later because I think you'd be too intimidated.
For the boat ride? Is that what you're keeping your skills for?
Look, I'm gonna row so hard. I'm gonna win the rowing, okay? Right.
Oh!
Hey. Oh, why does it always come back?
Hey! Good job!
Yeah. It was like, it almost didn't happen.
That's it. Just that's it. Sure, take it. Okay, that's a wrap on mini golf. Who won?
I did.
Sure. What's next? Ping pong?
Yes, and I'll beat your, you know.
We'll see. Okay, back in my hometown in Atlantic, Canada, we played this game called Killer Ping Pong. And to score a point, you had to do two things. You had to actually hit the ball and the person not hit it back. Then the person had to lift up their shirt and you have to hit the ball. And if the ball hits their skin and leaves a welt, that's when you get a point. Let's play. Point forever. Oof, that's fresh. Okay. We're not done yet. There it is. A little bit higher. Oh, let's call it a tie. And let's move on to something a little bit less competitive. Like boat riding. Okay, the boats are actually down another 40 meters at 112 meters underground. And we're taking these rickety stairs down 13 levels to find them. Oh yeah, look, we're almost there. Look at this. All right, hold on. We're almost there. This is so cool. There's actually a salt island in the middle of the lake. That's where everything's built. And look, we're 112 meters underground right now. This is incredible. We're so deep, everything's covered in this crust of salt. And you can hear the which is the bowling. People getting strikes or striking out upstairs.
Okay, just a little. It's okay now.
It's good here?
Yeah.
There we go. Ready for your gondola cruise?
Of course.
Like Venice? Okay.
Don't balance.
All right.
Alright.
Okay.
I have kayaked a lot. I have canoed a lot. I have stand-up paddleboarded a lot. I have not actually rowed the old-fashioned...
Stretch your legs.
Stretch my legs. Okay, here we go. And here we go. We're off. On the list of things I would do in this life, paddling a rowboat in an ancient salt mine in Romania was not on that list. But now it is. Oh, sole mia. Oh, sole mia. We are doing the very efficient zigzag rowing pattern.
Oh really? Is that the technique?
And we're back. You first. Make us proud, Eva. Don't fall in.
Oh my gosh. No, absolutely no way. Alright.
Woo.
Captain.
Captain. I wasn't a very good captain, to be honest.
It was.
Oh, I need to get my land legs back. One quick thing before you go. Remember, the War on Fear Bootcamp is now live. I made this to help. I know what it's like to be blackout terrified in life. And now, because I've learned to conquer my fears through all these misadventures and adventures, I'm distilling all these down for you. I want to help you get unstuck and conquer your fears as well. Check out the link below to learn more about the bootcamp. Check out Eva Zubek's channel. She's pretty badass. And check out yourself in a mirror because damn, you're looking good today. Chase your fears. I'll see you in the next one.